Stoicism for beginners. 10 ways to live a more resilient life. Certainly, here are 10 ways to apply Stoicism for beginners and live a more resilient life. 1. Understand what you can control. Recognize that you have control over your thoughts, choices, and actions. Focus your energy and attention on these aspects of your life, rather than fixating on external events beyond your control. 2. Embrace adversity. Instead of fearing challenges and difficulties, view them as opportunities for personal growth and learning. Adversity is a chance to develop resilience and character. 3. Practice negative visualization. Regularly contemplate worst-case scenarios to appreciate the present moment and be better prepared for potential setbacks. This helps you become less attached to outcomes. 4. Cultivate virtue. Strive to live a life guided by Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Make ethical decisions and focus on being a good person. 5. Maintain emotional balance. Learn to manage your emotions and not be controlled by them. Stoicism emphasizes responding to situations with rationality, composure, and self-control. 6. Live in the present moment. Avoid dwelling on the past or worrying excessively about the future. The present is the only time you can truly influence. Be mindful and fully engaged in the here and now. 7. Practice gratitude. Regularly express gratitude for the things you have, rather than longing for what you lack. This shift in perspective can lead to greater contentment and happiness. 8. Develop resilience. View setbacks and failures as opportunities for personal growth. Understand that they are not permanent and that you can overcome them with determination. 9. Accept the impermanence of life. Recognize that change and loss are inevitable. Embrace the transient nature of all things, including your own life, and you'll be better equipped to handle difficulties. 10. Find meaning in service. Stoicism encourages you to contribute to the well-being of others and society at large. Identify your responsibilities and duties and find purpose in fulfilling them. As a beginner in Stoicism, remember that the journey toward living a more resilient life is an ongoing process. These principles can help you build mental fortitude, cope with adversity, and find greater contentment in the face of life's challenges. Practice these tenets regularly, and over time, you'll become more adept at living a Stoic life.